E aí pessoal, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay. E aí galerinha, peço pra quem estiver chegando, deixa o like, não vai custar nada. Participem, quem quiser ajudem o canal, apoiem, ajudem, participem da comunidade Discord e das outras redes. Pessoal da Twitch também sejam todos bem-vindos nas lives. Quem estiver acompanhando, acompanhe. E vamos mais uma gameplay de Dragon Ball Z Kakaroto. Vamos continuar hoje na aventura da DLC do Goku 10 anos depois. É isso aí. Talvez seja a última parte da DLC hoje, vamos jogar. Faz tempo que nós não jogamos Dragon Ball Z Kakaroto. Essa DLC é a primeira vez que eu tô jogando junto com vocês, galera. É a primeira experiência que eu tô tendo de gameplay. Quem tá acompanhando nas outras partes passadas, acompanhe lá a história da principal da DLC que eu joguei. A DLC do Ubi, né? Goku 10 anos depois do final do Dragon Ball Z. Aqui, os dois guerreiros lendários. Acho que nós vai reviver lembranças, alguma coisa assim. Isso é uma história extra exclusiva da DLC, né? Ah, começamos aqui. Ah, a casa do Gohan. O que que tem aqui? Aqueles negócios de lembranças. Mas não vou jogar isso hoje, não.
Ooh, this one looks pretty strong. Ooh, this one looks pretty strong.
Ah, essa é batalha de chefe.
Ooh, this looks good.
Vamos lá, Copa. Vamos lá, Pan.
Oh, Grandpa!
Pan, you're looking bright-eyed and bushy.
Are you free right now, Grandpa?
Well, this is surprising. What did you need?
Ah, sim.
I want to train some more.
Looks like someone. All right, let's give it a shot.
Beleza, vamos nessa.
Hey!
Vamos treinar, Pan. Ya.
Whew. Okay, that's enough sparring for
Sure.
today.
Really? But I'm not tired yet.
Yeah, but you're still young. Remember, rest is an important part of training.
Ah, lembrar.
Come on, it's okay. When I was a kid, I got stronger thanks to all the breaks I took.
You did?
Yep.
Sério?
Master Roshi would always tell us, work hard, study well, and eat and sleep plenty.
Aham.
I didn't know that. Okay, I'll rest too. But just sitting around and resting is boring. Tell me a story, Grandpa.
Okay, about what?
Uma história, vovô.
You! I want to know more about your training and how you got to be so strong.
Well,
Oh, uma
let's
história.
see.
Como ficamos tão fortes?
To get as strong as I am now, of course, I did a lot of training. Like, a lot of training. But I also
Treinou
met all
muito.
kinds of people along the way and fought tons of powerful opponents.
Whoa! I bet you beat every strong person you ran into. Right, Grandpa?
Ah,
That's
são
not
lembranças,
true.
parece.
I've been beaten plenty of times.
Huh? Really?
Ah,
But those experiences made me stronger and motivated me to work even harder.
Oh.
ah, sério.
Han?
Essas
We're
experiências,
going
né,
shopping
Goku?
now.
Shopping?
I told you yesterday that we
Shopping?
were going into town. Did you forget?
Oh, whoopsies.
All right, come on.
Well,
Vamos.
that's enough chatting for now. Go have fun, Pan.
Okay.
Vai se
See you later,
divertir, Pan.
Goku.
Later.
Avidel.
Speaking of strong opponents, it's been a while since I fought him.
Já faz tempo que eu enfrentei, né, Goku? Quem é
And that guy's
o
giving
único
off the
oponente
same
de altura?
vibe. Well, you know what that means. I should train more. I'll go there. It's been too long.
A única pessoa à altura de você, essa etapa, é o Vegeta.
But I should make sure I'm completely prepared first. They don't look too tough. This is gonna be
De
fun!
novo? Transformar Super Saiyajin. Yes.
That was a nice little warm-up. I bet this one is tasty. Ooh, this looks good.
É isso aí.
Ooh, this one looks pretty
Uma
strong.
lembrança.
All right.
Oh,
Beleza, a floresta
Dad.
aqui.
Go on. What are you doing here?
Porra,
just reading. I love how quiet it
aqui,
is
aqui é bem
here.
tranquilo. É.
I come by every once in a while and it puts me in a good mood.
A
Uma
place
história
like this
extra,
does
ó.
that for you, huh?
What are you doing here, Dad?
Well, I thought I'd do some mental training. I was trying to think of places where I could concentrate
pensar em
at,
algum
and
lugar.
this popped into my mind.
Now that I think about
Ah,
it,
lugar
this is
consciente.
the spot you used when I was little, right?
You remembered!
Anyway, good luck with your training.
Thanks.
Thanks. Simulação e tal.
They don't look too
Vamos
tough.
lá.
You said you were going to do some mental training, right? Shouldn't you get started?
Vamos lá, série mental.
Yeah, I think I will. I'll make a mental image of those guys. I have to remember what it was
Imagem
like to
mental.
fight them.
Ah, treinamento mental, isso é só. Babá. Goku fica ainda mais animado em enfrentar adversários fortes. Ele começa treinamento de simulação com um guerreiro misterioso. Ah, entendi. Quem que é o guerreiro? Ah, não, mas eu sei. Frieza. O Frieza da sua forma normal, né? Vamos lá, Frieza.
When we first fought, he was way stronger than I was expecting. Every attack he threw at me was super dangerous. I thought I was gonna lose that one. Just what I expected from you, Frieza. Look at those killer moves. Now's my chance to hit him hard where it hurts.
Vamos lá,
Frieza was
Frieza.
too much for even Vegeta and Piccolo. And then he killed Krillin.
Thanks now!
That's when you turned Super Saiyan for the first time, Frieza. I can't ever forgive you for what you've done. Now, you make the perfect training time.
Toma aí! Agora é minha vez.
I won't hold back! Nice! Your body's acclimated. At this rate, I can move on to the next one.
Big on!
Try this!
Já era,
That'll do
filha.
it for Frieza. Cell, you're up next. This time you're mine.
Agora que Super Saiyajin 2. Nossa, cara.
Just have to wait for an opening to strike.
Céu, venha.
I'll end this quickly. It's Gohan beat Cell. Managed to embrace his anger and overwhelm Cell with a final surge of power. If he had kept up with his training, I'm certain he would have gotten even stronger. Oh crap! I need to focus on the fight now!
Acabei com você, seu porco.
I think I can squeeze in another battle. All right. Last but certainly not least.
Majin Buu, né?
Boo! You'll be my final opponent. You put me and my friends through so much trouble. It's only fair for you to be my training dummy this time. Whoa! Take this! Now this! Here goes! These moves are as hard to predict as ever. That's exactly what I need to help me train.
Olá, Buu.
Whoa!
Não consegue fazer essa forma. Vamos lá, Buu!
Mr. Satan and everyone else helping. But this time, I want to see how I do by myself. Today's the day I finally beat.
Já era.
Okay. I think I've had my fill of mental training for now.
Isso. Isso. É. Evoluímos, né?
Guess you're done.
Hmm? You're still here?
Yeah, I was a little worried about you. That was a long training session.
Yeah. I was fighting mental simulations of
Isso aí.
Frieza and the others from back then.
Frieza? That guy's a real piece of work.
Well, if I'm gonna face you-know-who,
Frieza.
I'll need to train extra hard. Otherwise, I might lose.
Who's you-know-who?
Well, you should be able to figure that out yourself.
Huh?
All right, I'm in tip-top shape.
Goku vai
Let's
pra cima
go.
de treinamento mental. Ah, fala.
You seem excited, Dad.
I feel like I can fight at 100. I'm raring to go.
Guess I'll finish up here and head home. Guess I'll finish up here and head home.
É home.
They don't look too tough. Ooh, this one looks pretty strong.
Vamos ver se dá pra mudar alguma coisa, né? Do Goku. Ah, que droga. Emblemas da alma, vamos ver aqui. Maron, filho de Kuririn. Tem um cabelo dourado que herdou de sua mãe que usa. Um rabo de cavalo. Ah, não tinha uma Majin Buu criança, né? Kaioshin. É a reencarnação.
They don't look too tough. Ooh, this one looks pretty strong.
Vamos lá completar a história, então. Quem que está me esperando na planície? Aham, já sei. Vamos lá. Vamos lá. Quem nos espera? Tá, quem?
You're
Vegeta.
late, Kakaroto.
Kakaroto.
Sorry, I was just getting ready to fight you. And I guess I lost track of time.
Ô Vegeta.
This is the day I defeat you. That's the spirit.
Aham.
We'll just have to see if I can one-up you this time. Shut your mouth.
Cala essa boca.
This is
É a grande luta.
Prepare to lose.
Ya! Começou!
Ah, I see. Perhaps there's something to that intense training you spoke of. Going up against someone like you wouldn't be any fun if I didn't give it 100%. And show me what 100% looks like coming from you.
Vegeta.
Big Bang! Attack!
Pera aí. Toma essa.
Rock, paper, scissors! Rock! Rock, paper, scissors! Rock, paper, scissors! Strength is what makes beating you work. I planned to be quick work of you if you tried holding back, but that no longer seems necessary. Don't worry about me holding anything back, especially when I'm up against you. Believe it! You can't move! Now this! Take this! Don't overestimate me! Damn that little bastard!
Se arma alguém. Toma! A batalha que eu peguei de elementar. Pode me transformar em Super Saiyajin.
Rock, paper, scissors! Big Bang! Attack! What? I won't hold back!
Ora, Vegeta, você também repete. Vamos aqui que toma.
I won't hold back! Well done. Come on! If that's all you can muster up, then this match is mine! Keep on yapping. Eat those words soon enough! Rock, paper, scissors!
Eu quero jogar contra o cara que eu dele.
Believe it!
Toma!
Whoa! Take this!
Vamos, Vegeta.
Seems like we're both sufficiently warmed up. Yep.
Estamos bem aquecidos, hein? Isso é o primeiro round, certeza.
The real fight begins now. Right.
Ah! Aumentaram o nível. Da hora! Ah, vou utilizar tudo em si.
That's what I like to see.
Super Saiyajin 2. Aí sim, hein? Que?
This is starting to get tough. Get ready. Here it comes.
Vamos lá.
This is what it was the very first time. That day my pride was shattered, and I carried that loss with me. Take this!
Dragon Ball Z.
I won't hold back!
Toma, Vegeta.
Lend me your energy! Take this, Kakaroto!
Uou! Aí sim.
What's wrong, Kakaroto? Is that truly the best you can do? Don't overestimate me!
Tá ficando legal essa luta.
I remember it. You were incredibly strong back then. So strong that I couldn't help but feel excited fighting you. Ever since then, I've held a grudge against you. You grew stronger at such an absurd rate. I was incompetent. Whoa, you can get even stronger? I won't hold back! After everything I experienced on Earth and planet Namek, my strength skyrocketed. Despite that, you had the upper hand over me. I couldn't close the gap between us.
Eu também sei fazer isso.
Frieza, and when you faced off against Cell, even when you returned from the other world, I was still a step behind you. Big Bang, attack!
Agora é minha vez!
Swallowed my own pride and went along with Bobity's plan.
Isso! Uau! Treinamento.
Believe it! Damn you, Kakaroto! When it still wasn't enough to catch up to you, I had no choice but to admit there was a Super Saiyan stronger than me. As long as there's a chance for me to surpass you, even temporarily, I will never give it up. I will crush you and reclaim my title of the strongest Saiyan. No, I'll be the strongest in the universe. His key is incredible. I can't believe this guy. How hard did he train to get this strong? Vegeta,
Wow,
you're
Vegeta.
amazing. This is why fighting was so much fun. Try this! Time for a little surprise! Attack! I won't hold back!
Oh! Vai! Uou! Ainda ficou forte, hein?
Try this! Damn you, Kakaroto!
Nossa, Vegeta ficou forte.
I'll show you the full might of the Prince of all Saiyans! There's no escape! What's wrong, Kakarot? Is that all that you can muster? I'm not done yet! Good. I won't hold back! What's so funny? I was just thinking how much fun it is to fight you. Sparks always fly whenever we face off. It only makes me want to fight even more. That's what it means to be a Saiyan. Alright, I'm about to turn up the heat. Try to keep up, Vegeta. What was that?
Vegeta.
Needs to keep up with me. Surprise!
Não pode, Vegeta. Deixa esse poder te soltar.
happened? I lost my Super Saiyan 3 form. Seems we're starting to grow tired. Guess so. That doesn't mean either of us is giving up. Of course not. I won't hold back!
Tomar esse set de você, Vegeta.
Rock, paper, scissors! Time for a little surprise! Whoa! I won't hold back!
Agora é minha vez! Vou acabar com você, Vegeta.
Don't overestimate me! Prepare yourself! Gallic gun!
Isso! Nossa! Ok! Calico! Vai, go! Isso! Não vejo o final! Uau! Batalha sensacional! Isso! Uau, que luta, hein? Whoa!
Wow, I've got to hand it to you, Vegeta. Stop patronizing me, Kakarot. I've been training non-stop in order to finally defeat you. Thanks to your hard work, I suppose we'll just have
Acho
to
que
call
vou ter
this
que
one a draw.
declarar essa um empate. Um empate?
I mean a draw. Nonsense.
Eita
You
porra.
want to end it already? I'm not done yet. I still have energy. This next move will determine the winner.
Ah, é?
Prepare
Ah?
yourself, Kakarot.
Vou dar de Vegeta vencer o Kakaroto
Hold
é
on.
grande.
Are you sure? You're in pretty bad shape. You're not doing much better. Ready or not, here it comes. Sweet victory will be mine. Take this. Whoa, stop. Why don't we take a break first?
Intervalo lá. Nossa!
I want this, I want that. Shopping is so fun.
Huh. Hey, did you
A
feel
pequena
that?
pá.
The ground just started shaking and the wind picked up out of nowhere.
Yeah, you're right. I wonder what's going on.
Why do I feel like this is somehow Goku's fault?
No way. Goku's
Culpa do
been so
Goku.
much more relaxed recently. Why would that change out of nowhere?
You don't know that, man. It's been this peaceful because he's bottling it up. It's not just him. Vegeta does the exact same thing. I bet this is happening because they're bored and are fighting each
Vão se
other.
enfrentar. É.
That makes a lot of sense. Can't say you're wrong.
Ah, família. Vão se enfrentar lá.
After all that, it's still a draw. It's not over yet. Sorry. I can't even lift a finger. Yep, that's
Eita,
it for
porra.
me. It's the same for you, right?
I hate to admit it, but I accept a draw.
Vegeta vai ter que aceitar o empate.
Just for now. But I vow to get even stronger. And next time, I will destroy you.
Sempre estou nessa rixa.
I had a feeling you'd say that.
Ah, e agora?
Kakarot,
Yeah?
tell
Kakaroto,
me
sim é?
what drives
E é.
your thirst for power.
Well,
Bem,
For me, it's to finally defeat you. But you, I don't understand.
pra mim pra te derrotar, mas eu não entendo. Olha lá. Isso aí!
let's see here.
Vejamos aqui.
I think you hit the mark. At the beginning of our fight, you said that wanting to do battle was the
A
mark
marca
of a true
verdadeiro
Saiyan.
Saiyajin. Ah, isso aí.
To tell you the truth, the second I heard that, it really resonated with me. Because for all I know, there could be someone
Pelo que
far
eu sei,
away
pode ser que
who
haja
I've
alguém
never
meio
heard
longe.
of.
Eu nunca
That's
ouvi
crazy
falar,
strong.
forte pra caramba.
Thoughts like
É
that
isso aí,
make me
cara.
happy.
Goku sempre busca
It
ficar
helps
mais
keep me
forte.
motivated. You know? Because I'd want to find whoever
Lugar
this
do
person
universo,
is
né?
and challenge them to an all-out fight. I want to be able to win, but I can't pull that off unless I train a whole bunch.
Ou
So you
punch.
see, I'll keep on pushing myself to get even stronger. I bet you feel the same way, right?
Uruguai, Vegeta
I should have
acertou.
known. You never change.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah, aí
I'm
sim.
pumped up just thinking about fighting someone strong. Yes, I'm so excited I can hardly take it.
Nem me aguenta.
With Goku defending Earth, the future looks bright, and his path
O
to
futuro
power
parece promissor e
continues
o caminho para o
onward.
poder. Yes! É isso aí, acho que acabamos a história aqui. Pequena, curta, né? A batalha dos dois Saiyajins. É isso? Uma história secundária bloqueada. É, campo de treinamento difícil. Após completar a saga dos dois Saiyajins, adicionou novas batalhas ao campo de treinamento difícil. Além de adversários por da saga dos dois Saiyajins, você também pode experimentar batalhas na dificuldade lendária. Para você poder conquistar recompensas que incluem como novas maestrias, então vá treinar e experimente. Tem muita coisa da DLC aqui ainda. O campo de treinamento ultra difícil foi desbloqueado na área de planície central. Adversário da saga dos dois Saiyajin apareceu mais. Vamos ver o campo de treinamento aqui. Foi nas regiões montanhosas. E agora ficar jogando modo extra, né?
Ooh, this one looks pretty strong. They don't look too tough. Ooh, this one looks pretty strong. This is gonna be fun! Take this!
Isso!
They don't look too
Vamos treinar.
tough.
Mas tem muita coisa pra fazer na DLC aqui, hein? Opa! Vamos lá. Isso! Aumentar as habilidades do personagem, Goku. Covarde. Pode ir com tudo! Vamos lá, amiguinho.
I won't hold back!
Isso! Vamos fazer a missão do Vegeta. Calma aí, melhorar aqui.
Ooh, this one looks pretty strong.
Opa, tem missão secundária. Vamos lá. Onde que tá essa missão? Saciando o apetite da família de Goku. Vamos lá fazer primeiro essa. Vamos almoçar aqui. Descansar. Depois nós vai na casa no Goku.
Wait just a...
Vamos lá, galera.
Time to blast off!
I bet this one is tasty.
Que a Titi quer.
Let's see.
Certo. Ajudá-lo. Ajudar os estudos do Gohan, certo?
Right! Let's see here.
Yep.
What should I do?
No.
É.
Right!
Right.
Huh?
Leave it to me!
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Vamos lá então ajudar o Gohan.
Hey, Dad.
Olha o que eu tenho.
Let's see here. Thanks a bunch.
Televisão do Goku.
Hey there! Hey there!
Here we are. Ai, ai, ai. Vamos lá. Caramba, onde é aqui? Ô senhor Piccolo.
Yo! Right.
Certo.
Thank you!
Cara dinossauro.
All right.
Já peguei já.
Hey! Fine.
Fine.
Hey!
Thank you!
Thank you. Obrigado, Piccolo.
I've got to hurry home.
Odeio esse tempo de load da tela do jogo, carregamento. É que é HD, meu Xbox One não é SSD, então já sabe, né, a demora. Vamos lá.
Ooh, this looks good. I bet this one is tasty.
Vou chegar com a quinta nuvem voadora.
I bet this one is tasty.
Casa do Gohan.
Huh? Thank you very much.
Gohan virou um estudiante, um cientista, né?
Right.
Thank you very much.
É.
No.
Ah, lembrança. Ah, meu Deus do céu.
Thank you very much. See ya. Huh?
Ah, legal.
Hey!
Huh? No.
Let's see here.
No.
Certo.
Yep.
Huh?
Hã? Isso, completamos. É só isso a missão? Ah.
Everything's all set.
Aí, prima da alma. Gohan, 10 anos após a batalha com Majin Buu, ele se casa com o Videl. Mano, realização. Tem outra missão aqui, pera aí. Vamos fazer essa, dois velhos. Fazer só essa missão secundária hoje. Galera, a história da DLC é o seguinte, ela é
They don't look
curta.
too
Mas
tough.
os caras colocou muitos extras pra prolongar a DLC, eu sei. Olha o Yanti aqui, ó.
Yo! Sup? Sup?
E aí, Yanti, tá velho, hein?
Ooh, this looks good. Time to blast off!
Vamos ver o que a pequena Pan quer.
Yo!
Grandpa!
Vamos lá.
Yay!
Dad,
Hello.
Can I help you?
Huh?
Ah,
Hmm?
Hello!
ok. É um campeão de mentira.
Hey!
Hey.
huh?
Hmm.
Hey.
Yep.
Certo. Bandidos.
All right then.
Hum.
No thanks.
Sei que a gente vai controlar a Pan. Vai ser da hora, hein?
Bye bye.
Hey,
Okay.
Ei. Pedindo, ela vai de bom grado.
Hmm?
Huh?
Hmm? All right.
All right.
No more Mr. Nice Guy!
É isso aí.
I know Pan can take care of herself just fine, but we need to find her soon.
O escapão foi. Ah, ela deve estar ali, ó.
This thing is filled with so much energy.
Tem que aumentar o arsenal de habilidades do Goku aqui, cara. Olha ela lá.
Hey,
Hello! Hmm.
Ih, não vai não. Ih, mexeram com a menina errada, hein?
Huh?
Bye-bye!
Hey! Yo!
Grandpa!
Vovô Goku.
Hey! Hmm?
Ah, sério? Olha que pegar um pouco mais pesado. Desculpa, cara, falar um pouco, acordei hoje com a voz um pouco também. Isso, nível 158.
Huh? Hmm?
No more Mr. Nice Guy!
Ó o Mr. Satan dando maneiro, ó.
Yeah!
Yup.
Thank you very much.
Tá bom.
What should I do?
Hey!
É só isso? Ah. Mr. Satan.
Pan seems to get it too.
Grandpa! Grandpa!
Vamos ver a casa do Mr. Satan aqui. Legal, da hora.
Ooh, this looks good. I bet this one is tasty.
Deixa eu ver, tá, vai melhorar alguma coisa aqui. Bom, pessoal, acho que por enquanto hoje é bom, Kakaroto. Vou ter aqui um pouco para achar DLC, mais uma DLC do Dragon Ball Daima, inédito para vocês. Então, vamos voltar à tela de título. Peço para que todos que estiver chegando, quem viu a gameplay, deixem um like, não vai custar nada, galera do YouTube. E é isso aí, galera. Vou esperar carregar o jogo, vou nessa. Obrigado por todos que acompanharam até aqui. Um abraço, felicidades. E a gente se vê em mais uma parte da Ball Z Kakaroto. E acompanhe também outros gameplay de jogos, beleza? Então é isso aí, galera. Obrigado por você ter acompanhado até aqui. Falou, um forte abraço e fui!